Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.